Well, hey there. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to be packing orders and continuing work on our family Christmas presents. Last night I started a hat for my stepdad. Today I would like to finish that hat, but I'm not sure if I will finish the hat because it is a lot of work. The first item on the agenda is to eat this breakfast burrito, so enjoy. I think that the universe heard me yesterday when I was like, I'm so happy that all my orders are done, because I got another order last night, but I'm not gonna let that interfere with my hat making. So I'm going to finish the hat that we started last night. This is definitely on our objectives today, okay? But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pack all of these orders that are sitting over here just to get them out of the way, get them ready, because we're leaving the house later, so I am hoping that we can stop by a mailbox. So, pack. These orders are going to France, Vermont, Sweden, Canada, and Virginia. I just ordered some yarn for a different video in the future. Is it anime time? It is in fact, look at my plant. It is in fact time for Jujutsu Kaisen. So I'm not working on the hat because I can't watch anime and read the pattern at the same time. Can you turn that down?
I literally can't.
I'm making a top, not the order that we got, just a random top for inventory.
I can't!
So this is what I got done on this. I just wanted like a really simple project that I could have going in my hands and not have to think about while we were watching anime. We watched one episode of Jujutsu Kaisen and we watched one episode of Steins Gate. So I'm just gonna set this aside, and now let's actually put in some work on the hat, okay? I just finished the second repeat out of 6 total. It's 4:45 right now, so I'm gonna keep working. That's 3 repeats done out of 6, so we're halfway there. It is 5:35, so I think maybe we could finish it tonight. I'm not totally sure. We do have to go to like a band concert later, so we'll see. I've made a little bit of progress. But now we are leaving to go to some kind of concert, and then afterwards we are going to go grocery shopping, so that's fun. And yeah. Groceries haul. This was $220. through. Yep. So we're back now. After the concert, we went and we had food and ice cream with the family, and then we had to go grocery shopping, so we went and did that, as you saw. Now it's already 10:30, so I am giving up progress on this hat for today. Maybe we can finish it tomorrow, but the rest of the night we're just gonna spend relaxing, sitting on the couch and watching anime like we usually do. That's my plan. I'm just gonna keep working on that sage green lily top that I was working on before. I'm not sure how much longer we're gonna stay up. Who knows? That's just my plan. I'm gonna relax, I'm gonna crochet something really easy, and we're just gonna chill, watch some TV. What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Lozenges.
It is so late right now. Well, okay, I mean, it's 1:40 in the morning, but we ended up finishing Steins Gate and it was really good. Honestly, great anime. I was working on the lily top that I was making and I just went until I ran out of yarn. So it's like pretty much finished. I just need to, I'm like on both the straps. All I need to do is slip stitch back down this strap and then finish up the border until we get to here, but not that it matters because it's not for an order or anything. I was just working on it for funsies. I didn't really do much today. Today was kind of an off day, I guess. I worked just a little bit on the hat and I made like that top that I showed you, but I pretty much just hung out, did some stuff, but mostly I really just like watched anime. So well, I cleaned my house a little bit, actually. But anyway, that's gonna be all for today's vlog because I'm so tired and I need to go to sleep. But thank you for watching. Thanks for being here. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and watch my next vlog. I'll see you there. Okay, bye.